GLDShop review. Is GLDShop legit or scam? GLDShop review. Is GLDShop legit or scam? If you're searching for gold-plated jewelry or hip-hop inspired accessories, GLDShop might seem like a great option. But is it trustworthy, or should you be cautious? Most people get this wrong by assuming flashy photos mean guaranteed quality. The surprising truth is that GLDShop is a legitimate online retailer specializing in trendy gold and silver-plated jewelry. Customer feedback is largely positive, highlighting stylish designs and timely delivery. Some minor complaints include issues with sizing or the occasional delay in shipping. You won't believe what happens next. Secure payments are available, and GLDShop frequently offers promotions and discounts. As with any online store, checking return policies and reading reviews before purchasing can save you from surprises. In conclusion, GLDShop is a legitimate store, especially for fashion jewelry enthusiasts. While minor issues may arise, the brand is generally reliable, offering secure shopping and unique designs. Approach with realistic expectations, and you'll likely enjoy your purchase.